I think some of the questions that you should ask before hiring a bio cleanup company is how long they've been in business, are they insured, do they have full-time employees versus contractors, are they local? A lot of companies that do this are based out of state. It's very easy to get Google AdWords and put ads in wherever you want and then just farm that lead out to a local company. And then along with employees, I think it's really important, do you have the proper workers' compensation? And don't be afraid to ask the company you're hiring for proof of that insurance. We have ours in all of our vehicles. If someone asks, we can pull it out right away and show it to them. Yeah, those are probably the most important ones that I could think of.